feel that orange. When I get the next orange. Mom, I wash my hands after that.
Hmm.
Oh no, I'm Fairy Floss, the dental floss fairy.
Okay.
Your service.
Oh, oops. Oh.
I can get it.
Okay.
Then,
Sige.
can hold.
Hindi, ano lang ba? Sige. Hold ako ang strainer ba?
Can't find the tooth fairy. She'll find you.
Oops. Ano?
I'm not sure.
I-press it.
Try asking the pillow fairy. The pillow fairy?
They made a mess.
Okay, we're back in Pillow Place and still no tooth fairy. I don't think I'm ever gonna find the tooth fairy.
I know it'll cheer you up. A comfy pillow. Hugging one always makes me feel better.
Ano mo na imong juice?
I'll never find a way to fix my tooth. I don't even want to look at it anymore. Oh, the tooth fairy!
Kung saan man nag-make of juice? Uy.
The tooth fairy! It's the tooth fairy! Filter! Actually, I found you. That's
Ano mo sa... Oh.
You put your tooth under your pillow, and I, the tooth fairy, come to you to give you a surprise.
May juice imong kuwan dali. Oh. Iyan lang.
But wait,
Ay, ay, ay.
where's my tooth? It fell out,
Okay.
and I don't know how to put it back in.
Di again.
Oh no, dear. There's nothing to fix. It's perfectly normal for young children and aliens to lose their baby teeth. Baby teeth? Yes. And soon you'll grow a new grown-up tooth in its place. One that won't ever fall out. So you'll need to take extra special care of your teeth from now on. Lots of toothbrushing and flossing. Wow. Okay. Thanks, Tooth Fairy. My pleasure, dear.
Did the seed come in?
Mm.
I feel so much better.
The seeds do come.
Who knew?
They did.
Well, dear now. Thanks to Tooth Fairy. She's awesome.
Yeah,
Huh?
awesome.
Tinulot-mulot na kami mo ha. Wala ko diri ha.
What's wrong, Pillow Fairy?
Oh, nothing. It's just, it's always the
Wala
other
na pa.
fairies.
Apa na juice?
I wanted to be a
Walak na.
Napa?
Walak na.
Wala na.
You were the
Eh,
most
there's
helpful
still more
fairy
seeds
of
and
all.
emojis.
Hindi daw.
We found a Tooth Fairy because of the pillow you gave me. You did save the day.
Oh, shucks.
Wala na.
You're making me cry. Tissue fairy.
Get sa plate dito ko plate.
Say this is one big toothy missing a compact. Mission Control?
I'm gonna get
Go back. So, what do you like?
Kuha ng kuya.
Very planning to ask the tooth
Then let's wash that.
Oh, wash na, i-wash na. Ay, okay na, okay na. That's okay na.
Right?
Oh, ka na lang orange. I-peel mo na.
I think you're more from Korea. So I can eat orange.
another big
Okay nila na. Pwede ka eat na nila na. Eat na nila na.
so I'm going to brush
Pwede nila na. Sa orange lang na. Panay, kuha na na.
Can I wash that?
Hmm.
It's time to go out.
Gilimpyo man na.
It's still, I don't know.
Kuya ka dira.
Good. Mom, look at me. Except for the seed. Orange.
Ano man? Share mo. Ano ka? Gamay raman ang orange.
How about food out there?
Kit ka na. Hindi ako kuya B. Ano? Ano?
Wait.
Ano?
Hi everyone. Come on. Check out our
I just cutting the peel.
Wala na.
I remember that dinosaur. So scary.
Di, ikuha pa dyan. Ikuha na lang na.
Nothing beats
Hindi ko
rescuing
sumayo.
Galaxy's biggest beach chair. Maybe we should get one of those for the rocket. Aw, no more photos. Hey, there wasn't one of you, Emma. Yeah, our photo album is missing a picture of Emma posing next to the galaxy.
Di, ikuha pa dyan. Ano di sana? Dari yung plate, oh.
You're right.
Oh.
What can I put next to?
Oops, the juice. Mm.
Wait, I know. The perfect cheesy photo for our album. I can say
Di, butang na, butang, butang. Oh,
the
butang na.
galaxy's biggest cheese.
Buti na.
I can help. I can help.
Butang na, butang.
I'm sure there's
Ito,
something
ano,
in
ano.
the galaxy where we can find really big
Please.
Oh,
That
you
sounds
can even find the view.
Wala na may kuha na juice.
Mama, can you hold this? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the Twinkie.
The other one. Kini.
Then let's put it in here.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Wait. Wait.
But there's thousands of this. Twinkies are nothing getting out.
Sige, yun.
That's something.
we need to find some
Oh, there's so many juice. Sige, more pag yun.
with it.
That sounds like a good idea.
See?
Why is it so juicy?
Sige ba yun? Bali. Na. Kaya, di na. Okay na. Ito mo sa kan. Okay na. Kagawa na mo. Make of juice. Basta mag... Oh, manap. Yabutan na dito. Wala na. Pwede sila yung i-eat na ninyo po. Ano? Butan na rin, oh. Juice. Yan po.
There's a seed. More. There's a seed.
Okay to.
There's a seed.
Ito pa ng seeds. Okay.
Where is the seed? I think it's
Balik
the...
ko eh. See? Wala na yun, eh. Clean up. Wala na. Ayo. Gusto ka, are? Mag-juice ka? Oh, kuya, kung batang rin, kuya. Ano
Big
yun?
orange.
Oh, sige, kuya. Ano ko? Ay, naku. Okay, kumara kuya. Ayun nga. Oh, very good, eh.
We ran out of juice.
Kanakadaga ka na, big ko. Okay na. It's okay na.
Okay lah.
Sige. Wash na siya, ha? Sige, Bujud. Sige, Bujud. Sige. Yeah. Very good. Tanaw, ma. Yan, boom. Later na ang TV. Sige. Sige. Tanaw. Tumatagak ang kuwan. Oops. Wait.
Juice is coming out.
Kuya, tanaw ko yan.
Something!
Oops. Yan na. Taki dito.
Help.
Mana? Oh, the gono juice ko lang na. Hala.
Look at it.
Wala.
Not seed.
Wala seeds.
And that must put it in the cup. Let's see if there's seed.
Oh, lagi, share mo.
Yay!
Buta siya. Okay. Okay, yung drink na. Oh, clean up sa kuya. Kuya. Wait up. Oh, drink to na. I cannot let her drink.
Okay, it's like that and cheese.
Really? Oh, no treat.